In this video, let's have a look at the DotOS version 3.0 official for the LG V30. So let's get started. Before starting off, I would like to tell you that this is the April 13th build, and let's have a look at what this offers for you. So you have gestures, jump to camera, swipe up to home, and stuff like that. And you have the DotOS updater. Now moving on, you have the digital well-being option that is available on all Pi builds. Now moving on, let's move into the display section. And as you can see here, there are quite a few customization options here. You have options for ambient display as well, but ambient display does not really work as well as I would want it to, but it is still usable. The only issue is that if you turn ambient display always on, it only starts to get on when you get a notification. So that's something. And you have the options of having system themes here. There are several options. So you have stuff like wallpaper based light, dark UI, DotOS Neo UI. You have QS style. So that is pretty interesting in my opinion. As you can see here, something like this was available on the preview builds of Android Q. So that's all that was useful here. And under the volume panel, you can find the Hi-Fi quad DAC options. So that's pretty cool. Now moving on, you have things like dot extras. I will quickly go through these. You can have a look at them, but I won't really be sharing each and every feature and talk about it. So you can just have a look at it and quickly see which ones you like. Now talking about the performance has been pretty good for me on this ROM. I've not really faced any lags in animations or any such other stuff. So that's good to see. And talking about the battery life is good too here. Nothing out of the ordinary. It is good as it is on other stock ROMs. On other custom ROMs for the LG V30. So okay, you have some recent options. You have options for Pi or audio recent style. Now moving on, you have some lock screen customizations, as you can see here. Now you have lock screen shortcuts. I'm sorry, it just keeps going back. It's a bit annoying, but nothing out of the ordinary. And as you can see, there are some other options here as well. And you have some general tweaks. Now let's have a look at the custom tiles that are available here. And these are the settings. You can customize the number of columns or rows that you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.